After Liam's wife kicked him out, he took on 8 different jobs to survive. When he was exhausted, he'd sleep outside near the air conditioner. In just 3 months, he managed to save up $300,000. He also made 3 good friends, including Little John, who was a lot like him. Little John would sleep in the sewer or under the eaves. Loyal to his friends, Liam decided to reveal some evidence from the academy. He bought this hallway room and remodeled it like this. First, he got rid of the windows and load-bearing walls. Then, he welded an extension frame using galvanized steel. He even borrowed a few bucks from his aunt to buy some expanded screws and securely fixed them to the wall. After that, he used red bricks to build new walls and create a separate space. Next, he set up a cool kitchen. He got a custom modular cabinet with a liquefied stove and all sorts of seasoning pots to show off his cooking skills. He also added a squat toilet at the entrance, so his friends didn't have to wait in line for public bathrooms anymore. He installed a shower head to make a nice, spacious shower area and put in a glass folding door for some extra privacy. For the living area, Liam went all out. He installed a custom sofa against the wall with a hidden storage space underneath for their stuff. He even added a laminated back to the sofa to make the room feel cozy and filled with happy memories. Across from the sofa, he put in an ultra-thin cabinet to store shoes and clothes, keeping everything neat and dust-free. The middle shelf of the cabinet can be opened up to become a dining table, making it easy for everyone to have dinner together. And to top it all off, he mounted a TV above the cabinet to create a simple, warm living room. Then, he used several jade steel pipes to make a rising window, which also created more drying space. Even if they get into trouble, the 4 young masters can disappear in no time. Inside, he placed a 4-corner table where they can happily play mahjong without worrying about finding a 4th player. Next, Liam welded 4 bed frames using galvanized square steel and covered them with eco-friendly wood veneers. He then got 4 mattresses from his second cousin's house. This set up a cozy rest area for the 4 young masters. He also installed 4 hydraulic struts with a pre-sale powerful one-click oil pump. These beds can be adjusted to any height and will stop if they touch your hair, making them very safe. To make it even more convenient, he added a ladder next to the beds. And that's how Liam decorated the corridor room. Now, the 4 young masters have a perfect hangout spot and can enjoy being lifelong good brothers.